Before you begin, you need to make sure you downloaded the latest JDK and the NetBeans IDE. First, you open a new project and you choose a web application. Type in web services or whatever, call it whatever you want, and save it. Now your project is ready. You can start opening a new file and writing the first Java web service. This is a constructor, and the following code is from the Java Passion website. This is a function that takes as a parameter a string and returns hello plus the string. And then you need to annotate, by that meaning you write a web service, add web service, and import the library of web services. The annotation is important to make the web service public. It's also ready, the project now, for you to deploy. You can right-click at the application and deploy it. The deployment process takes quite a lot of time. If you need to know why, you have to understand the meaning of deployment. Deployment comes from deploying an army, which really means that you tell an army to scatter around and each does his or her job, which is quite the same. That's what happens in application. You just tell it to deploy and it does its own job. You don't need to worry about the details then. An error happens every once in a while. You just need to be patient and manage. Maybe you can restart the server. By logging into the local host and typing the name of the port, which for example is 8080. Did I mention the type of server I was using? It's Glassfish v2. This is the Hello Service web tester. Here is the WSDL file. This is the input parameter. Yay! This is the SOAP request and the SOAP response. And here is the WSDL file.